Mhm.
L.
Mhm.
O. K. Look.
Good job. All right, you ready for another card?
Who.
Good job.
W. H. O. Who. Will. L. I. T. L. E. Will.
Are those lowercase letters?
Yes.
Mhm. Can you write lowercase?
Your lowercase letters.
Oh, it's leg. I'm sorry, Mommy was wrong.
Legs.
Yes, Mommy was wrong. She's so sorry. L-E-G.
C. Legs.
What's that?
What?
Mhm. What are you wearing? What?
W.
Mhm.
H. A. T. What are lowercase letters?
Mhm.
What?
Okay. 28? Okay. Oh, try again. You took too long. Oh, try again. There you go.
28.
Uh-huh. What's this?
No. ABC Family.
Mm-hmm.
No. The 28.
Nathan.
28.
All right, start over. What's that say?
Sushi.
Yeah, say it over. Say it again.
I like to go fishing.
Good job. All right. What's that say?
I like to pop. Boom.
Good job. What's this?
Yogurt. Environment. And yogurt.
Yogurt. Huh. Hey, what's that say?
Mine. Fine.
Favorite.
Color red.
Yeah, my favorite color is red.
Red. Pure.
Oh yeah, kids just love a steaming hunk of goat cheese.
7.
5'7".
7.
30. Don't forget our curfew. Hello?
I'm not. Watch ABC letters.
Always the best in town. Got to keep on dancing. Keep on dancing. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Got to keep on dancing. Keep on dancing. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Got to keep on dancing. Yay! Nathan, 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 Nathan. Okay, we stand up. Up. You ready? Nathan, we are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? We are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs. Make the earth flat. Make the earth flat. Whoa! Nathan. Nathan. Mama. Dada. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your mouth? Eyes. Alright, this is what we did today when he came home from school. He decided he was going to write a lowercase. And then he wrote golf. And I haven't taught him lowercase yet, so it's just... And then there's T, Egan.
Come on, let's look at a toy.
And then he wrote grand... There was already a mark here. Ma. And let's see. See the little A. Let's see, he wrote fish. And he wrote Nathan with a lowercase a. Oh. And he wrote Hobbs in all lowercase letters. That's what we did this afternoon.